How to enable voice message transcripts on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily enable the option to transcribe your voice messages on WhatsApp. First thing first, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open it up, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right corner to head over to your settings. But before we do that, let me just show you guys. If I open up my chat here and then long press on the voice message, tap on the three lines at the top right, there is no option to transcribe here. So what happens is if I go back and then tap on the three lines at the top right, then go to settings. Once you've done that, just scroll down until you find a chat section. Here you'll have an option called voice message transcripts. So you can read new voice messages. Go ahead and tap on this turn on option. Then you're going to have to choose your language. So tap on choose language. Just select your device language for now. And then tap on setup. Once you do that, it will download all of the necessary files. Just wait for it to complete. As you can see here, the transcription is being downloaded. As you can see here, I have already transcribed a voice message, so I'm going to do the same for the voice message right below. Long press on it. You're just going to have long press on the voice message, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then tap on transcribe. Once you do that, you have successfully transcribed your voice message. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.